Stuke here with a VR for Splendid Sports Cards. Rifle arms in the major leagues. The first player that I'm bringing attention to is the one and only Babe Ruth. Babe was more known for his home run swing than for his people watching him throw from right field. Babe had 2 key assists in the 1926 World Series from the outfield, even though the Yankees lost the series when Ruth was caught stealing in Game 7. But he did start out his career as a pitcher, and he did have a great arm. Next on my list is Brooklyn Dodger great Carl Ferrillo. Carl had a rifle arm for those great Dodger teams of the late 40s and early 50s. He's rated as one of the top outfield arms in baseball history. Another one you might not expect to be high on the list with a big arm, Kaline. Won 10 gold gloves during his career and had over 170 assists. And he was probably the American League counterpart to Roberto Clemente in right field. Often overlooked for his fielding. Helped lead the Tigers to the 1968 World Series championship. And the next player, none other than Rocky Colavito. Rocky did have a big arm. He played for Cleveland and Detroit, besides Kansas City Athletics. Rocky once stood at home plate and threw a baseball 436 feet over the center field wall. That's what you call a big arm. And remember, everybody, to go support Splendid Sports Cards. He's the one putting on this VR. He has a great channel over there. I'll put a link to his site down below in the description. Thank you very much. Everybody have a great day.